Hi guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the rear brakes on this 2014 Nissan Altima. Alright guys, jack up the car, remove the wheel, and we're going to start by removing the caliper. In order to do that, you need to remove this 14mm here and this one down here. Don't mix these up. Now you can take off the caliper. Now the caliper you want to hang someplace. You don't want to let it hang from the brake line because you may damage the brake line. So either put it up here or hang it someplace. Now you can take the brake pads off. These are pretty shot. Next, we need to remove this bracket. So in order to do that, we need to remove this 19mm here and this one down here. Now you can take this bracket off. Now you can take the rotor off. Okay, this is your old rotor. That's the new one. Make sure they match up, the same size. That's the part number. And the only thing you have to do with this is remove this little rubber piece and put it on here, okay? And then we're going to take some of this brake cleaner, spray it down, and wipe it down on both sides because it comes from the factory with some kind of coating, so you want to take that off, okay? Yeah, dirty it is. You want to clean in here too. I'm just going to push it through. Throw a little grease on the hub so your rotor doesn't get stuck on there. All right, now you can throw your rotor on. All right, guys, remove the clips. And wire wheel where the clips were. All right. This is a part number for the pads, and they come with new hardware. So just match up the hardware that was there, and something like that, and then just put them back in. Okay, throw just a little bit of grease on here. You have to go crazy. can put your clips on. Okay, you ready to throw this back on? All right, throw your bracket on. Next, you need to compress this piston so the new pads fit in. You could use a C-clamp if you want. I'm just going to use a big pair of pliers here. There we go. Okay, now you can put your pads on. Throw a little grease on the sides, like very little. And just slide them in place. Like that. Now this one has the wear sensor. Wear sensor goes on top and it goes in the inside. So come on, get in there. There you go. Throw a little bit of grease in the back of this pads, very little. Okay. Now you can throw your caliper on. And make sure this line is not twisted, okay? Next, take your slide bolts and clean them up. And the one with the rubber goes on top. Grease them up with some silicone-based lubricant. This is what I'm using. Okay, don't go too crazy with this stuff. Throw a little grease on that rotor so when you put the wheel on, it doesn't get stuck on there. All right, guys, put the wheel back on and repeat the process on the other side. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.